Hello everyone, my name is Claudius and you're watching MoneyMinding TV, the place where we help you build and maintain a healthy financial life. We will be discussing today how your mindset directly influences your financial success. Believe it or not, the way you think about money can determine how much wealth you end up building, saving, and growing over time. We will dive into what a financial mindset means, examine the difference between a fixed and growth mindset, and walk through 5 practical steps that can guide you toward genuine prosperity. Let us begin by clarifying what a financial mindset really is. Often, people assume that how much they earn is the main factor determining financial success. While income certainly matters, it is not the whole story. We can all think of someone earning a modest salary who manages to save and invest effectively, gradually building significant wealth. Conversely, another person with a high salary might end up living paycheck to paycheck due to haphazard spending. Much of this discrepancy comes down to beliefs and attitudes about money, how you see challenges, handle spending decisions, and envision your future. Research and behavioral economics show that our emotions and core beliefs have a substantial impact on how we save, invest, or avoid financial opportunities. It follows then that having a more optimistic and proactive relationship with money can open doors you might have overlooked. This is where the work of Dr. Carol Dweck on fixed and growth mindsets becomes particularly relevant. People who believe in the capacity to learn and improve generally fare better when faced with new challenges. And the same holds true for financial matters. Thinking, I can master investing if I try, leads to far different outcomes than, I'm just bad with money, why even bother? To illustrate that difference more concretely, let us discuss fixed and growth mindsets. A fixed mindset is characterized by the belief that your abilities, whether in math, budgeting, or strategic thinking, are locked in place. In financial terms, this might sound like, I will never earn more than I do now, or I'm hopeless when it comes to saving. These limiting thoughts can prevent you from taking steps such as learning about investing, launching a side hustle, or even reconsidering your career path. On the other hand, a growth mindset in finances leads you to see each decision, saving, budgeting, or taking measured risk as a learning opportunity. Rather than assuming you are stuck, you recognize that you can expand your skill set and find creative ways to improve your situation. With this foundation in place, let us move on to 5 specific steps that can transform your way of thinking about money. The first step is to rewrite your money story. Every person carries a narrative about money, often shaped by childhood experiences, cultural norms, or negative remarks from well-meaning relatives. These stories might sound like, we're not just a rich family, or people like us can't afford to invest. Rewriting that script means confronting those beliefs and actively replacing them with ones that foster growth. One approach is to keep a journal of statements you've caught yourself saying. Phrases like, money is always tight, or I'll never get ahead. After you have listed them, question whether they are objectively true. If they aren't, replace them with affirmations such as, I'm learning how to improve my financial habits, or there are resources and opportunities out there that can help me. It is a subtle shift in language, but over time, it reconditions your subconscious mind to remain open rather than defeatist. The second step is to embrace financial challenges as stepping stones rather than insurmountable walls. Financial adversity is inevitable. An unexpected car repair, a job loss, or mounting debt can easily throw us off balance. People with a fixed mindset tend to see these problems as proof they are not good with money, whereas those who embrace a growth mindset view them as lessons, analyze what went wrong, and figure out how to adapt. This perspective transforms what might have been demoralizing obstacles into opportunities to learn new skills, reinforce discipline, and develop resilience. Surrounding yourself with financial positivity is the third key step. The idea that we are influenced by the 5 people we spend the most time with extends to finances, but it also includes the content we consume. If your social circle and online feeds are saturated with people complaining about money or labeling every financial step as too risky, it is hard not to internalize those beliefs. Conversely, when you immerse yourself in success stories, growth-oriented podcasts, and practical resources like this video, you will start seeing money as a tool rather than a burden. That doesn't mean you have to shut out everyone who voices doubts, but it does mean carefully curating an environment that elevates you rather than drags you down. The fourth step involves developing a long-term vision. Wealth building is almost never about quick fixes. It demands patience and perspective. Instead of focusing only on your next paycheck, think about where you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years. Some people use a vision board, a collection of images or words that represent their goals, like buying a home, traveling the world, or achieving early retirement. A clear image of your target future helps you stay motivated during short-term sacrifices, such as skipping certain luxuries or consistently investing a portion of your income. If you adopt this perspective, you will be more likely to stick to your savings plan or keep putting money into that investment account, even when the market dips or your friends tease you for not splurging on a big vacation. Fifth, and finally, you have to take consistent action. A healthy mindset, full of optimism and possibility, is wasted if you never do anything to back it up. One practical step is to automate your savings. You can set an automatic transfer from checking to savings or an investment account each month. Even small amounts add up once interest and time start working in your favor. Tracking your expenses is another actionable tip. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to see exactly where your money goes, and then make incremental adjustments so you're consistently improving. Beyond these 5 steps, it can be helpful to consider broader influences on your relationship with money. Cultural and family backgrounds shape whether you view debt as normal, saving as futile, or investing as a risk only wealthy people can afford. Identifying these deep-seated norms can give you perspective on why you make certain financial decisions and help you consciously change them. Imposter syndrome can also play a role. Even those earning decent salaries may feel they're out of their league when discussing investments or business ideas. Counter this by reminding yourself that everyone starts from zero knowledge in a new domain. Frugality versus cheapness is another area to ponder. Some people go to extremes by never spending on self-development or truly valuable experiences, which can be counterproductive. The key is to seek value while still allocating resources toward growth, such as learning new skills that can boost your earning potential. It is also crucial to keep an eye on the psychological and emotional aspects of spending. Sometimes stress, boredom, or peer pressure drive us to purchase things we don't need. By tracking not just your expenses, but also your emotional state when you're buying, you can spot patterns and develop healthier habits. Additionally, consider how giving aligns with an abundance mindset. Many financially successful people find fulfillment in charity or tithing, which reinforces the idea that you do have enough to share. That generosity can foster gratitude and remind you money is a means of doing good, not just a tool to hoard. Last, but certainly not least, remember how physical and mental health tie into financial success. Unaddressed stress or health issues can lead to mounting medical bills and reduced earning capacity. By prioritizing regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mental well-being, you equip yourself with the energy and clarity needed to handle money effectively. If you want to delve deeper into these topics, there are numerous resources worth exploring. Keep in mind that these changes won't happen overnight. You may experience setbacks or feel frustration if results don't come quickly. However, the cumulative effect of small, steady improvements is surprisingly powerful. If you have enjoyed what we've covered, please subscribe to MoneyMinding TV. Give this video a like and share it with anyone who could benefit from a financial mindset transformation. I hope this discussion has helped you see just how crucial mindset really is when it comes to money. Let these ideas spark new approaches as you plan your financial goals, tackle your challenges head on, and celebrate your progress. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Take care, stay curious, and as always, Soli Deo Gloria.